Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to create a title with essential graphics. Let's begin! Let's start. Change the workspace to Graphics. Essential graphics are displayed on the right. Move the playhead to the position where you want the title. Select the Horizontal Text tool. If you click on the program monitor, you will see a red box like this. A new title has been added to the timeline panel. Type the character. The design will change after this. Let's change the design. Select the Selection tool. Select the title whose design you want to change. Select the tab Edit. Click here. First, let's move the title. Center the text. Click both the vertical center and horizontal center buttons. You can change the size of the title from here. You can change the font here. You can change the font thickness here. If you want to emphasize the text with a border, check the stroke and specify the color. You can adjust the thickness of the border by changing the value on the right. Now you know how to create a title with essential graphics. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.